I saw you in heaven, would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Would you help me stay if I saw you in heaven? I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I just
Kasama ka sa akin. Kasama ka.
here in
Maynila, mabot ng Maynila. Mabot ako Maynila, kasama ka. Maganda lang. Pag maganda namin, maganda lang. Ayaw tayo pa yata sa atin. Kawawa daw si Tony. Kawawa si Tony. Walang makakain.
Time can break your heart. Have you begging,
Sarap, Tay. Sarap. Tay.
begging?
Tay. Wow.
Pwede daw, pwede. Akin na lang yun na. Akin na lang. Ayaw mo? Akin na lang yan. Kasi ay.
Akin na, tano, ako na.
Ano ba yung abiga yan?
Agila yan, agila.
Tira yan. Tira sa abiga yan.
Okay, Giselle. Ay, sa akin.
Aba.
Ha? Akin na kay akin. Ano na to? Ano na?
Ang dami oh. Kanina mabigyan.
Ay, pwede na may choice ka.
There'll be no more tears in heaven.
Pag, ayan o, papasain na lang. Para, i-ano.
Fresh na fresh. Bagong ligo. Tay. Wala.
Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven?
Hati na tayo, hati tayo, hati.
Cause I know I don't belong.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm.
Ito dyan siya. Madaya pa rin.
Ay! Di, wag na, wag na. Isa lang.
Isa-isa lang. Hindi pwedeng madami.
finest
Mag-ano ka,
all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I owe. Give up my life, my heart, my hope. I would give everything I own.
Magkalaro kami!
Hoy, mga bata! Ang pagpisali nga nga.
Gio!
You taught me how to love. What it's all. What it's all.
Ewan ko isang pamilya, isa daw nun eh.
Said too much, but still you showed the way. And I knew
Nakita ka.
from watching you.
Ano?
Nobody
Daming lupa.
else could ever know.
Ang dami lupa.
Part of me that can't let go. And I would give
Angel, happy birthday, ha?
I owe. Give
Maganda ka po.
up my
Mga iyak.
life, my heart, my hope.
Salamat,
I would
Angel,
give
Asli.
everything
Pagpasta mo sa akin ng
I
bangko.
owe
Buwan natin.
just
Pagbutin
to
kayo.
have you back.
Maraming salamat.
Someone
Ganda, no?
so taking them all for granted. You may lose them one day. Someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. And I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my hope. I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again.
Namimiss ka ng murahin niya. Namimiss ka na ni Tatay Tano.
Sorry na.
Pagluto ka daw ni Tatay Tano, ni Nanay, na-miss na ni Tatay Tano yung luto mo. Luto mo walang lasa.
For anyone but you, I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years, you've never let me down. You've turned my life around. The sweetest days I've found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I've loved the life we've made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you've taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years.
Salamat, Ashley.
Happy birthday! Ay, meron pa! Ang dami naman yan! Anong dami niyan? Anong yaman mo?
Ito pa. Galing kay Jingjing.
Uy, oatmeal!
Isang box to.
Anong dami naman yung mga limandani na yan? Tatay, yan ay
Hawak.
abinta natin yung lupa sa ano, abayad mo natin sa buwis.
Ganyan. Oh. Picture. Wow!
Bibi, isip ko muna din. Adjust mo lang. Yan.
Through the years, you've never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away.
Yay! Emily. Oh. Ano sa loob tulog? May pang ano ka na doon sa mga batang wala pa. Sigurado ka may mag-abot.
Muli pa.
Oh, andun pa sa uli mga bata. Andun nasa galaan sinabiwan pa.
I can't remember when you were
Bawal. Napalinis? Oo, magpalinis na dali.
I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us. And I'm so glad I stayed right here with you